Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Rupi here. So if you're new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe, put your notifications on and give me a thumbs up, okay? And make sure that you follow so you can see more of my videos. Now, I'm waving this toothbrush around. So today we're going to talk about your dental health. So how can you just use the water for dental health? Wow, isn't that amazing? No toxins, no chemicals, amazing. So we're going to talk about that right now. So it doesn't matter whether you're using, this is a bamboo toothbrush, doesn't matter if it's a hand toothbrush or whether it's electric toothbrush, whatever you're using for brushing your teeth is okay. The first thing you're going to do though is you're going to use some pH 2.5, which I keep in a bottle like this, and it's a dark bottle so it preserves the pH, and you can use it for hand sanitization after the bathroom. So I keep it like that in my bathroom, and you can just pop it on your toothbrush, brush your teeth. But the first thing you're going to do is pop some in your mouth. I only put a little bit there just to show you it's not toxic. And you're going to rinse your mouth. So put plenty in, give a good swish and spit it out, okay? And I can't do that here because I'm not at a basin. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to use a tongue scraper. You're going to scrape that tongue and clean it really clean, okay? And then another squirt, a few squirts and a mouthful of the 2.5, give it a good swish and rinse around, okay? Now, if you've got a hydro floss, that's great. You can actually use some 11.5, pH 11.5, which I also keep in a dark bottle to help preserve the pH, and get really down in sort of near the gum level, okay? You want to really clean. Now, if you don't have one, I don't have one, you can just use, dental floss, or you can maybe use Pixters. I like the Pixters, I love these, but I also like dental floss. So get in there, get the floss going, happening. And then after you've done that, you're going to use 11.5 again for another rinse. Now, if you have a hydro floss, the last mouthful of the 11.5, make sure you give it a good swish and then spit it out, okay? And after you've done that, then the final thing you're going to do is use some 9.5, which is the drinking water, and rinse your mouth and spit it out. Now, if you keep doing this, you will notice an improvement in the amount of plaque that you have. So my hygienist loves me because she says, oh, you don't have very much plaque. And it has got better and better over the years that I have been using the 2.5 and the 11.5. I have hardly, if any, plaque, and my teeth, my periodontitis has improved so much that now my teeth and my gums are really quite healthy. So, and that's only using the water. How amazing is that? So guys, that's it for today. If you've got any questions, please make sure you ask, connect with me. And of course, if you want a machine, you want to get help with getting started, I follow you up for 30 days for free to help you use the water. And we talk about stuff like this, not just the drinking. So make sure you connect. You can go to my website, which is in the link below. Otherwise, make sure you subscribed and put notifications on and give me a thumbs up. And be sure to follow to see more videos like this. Okay, bye for now.